In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial on Brevo. Brevo is a popular platform for email marketing and customer communication, and starting for free is a great way to explore the features without any commitment. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your account set up and be ready to send your first messages on the free plan. Begin by opening a new tab in your web browser and searching for Brevo. In the results, look for the official Brevo website. It should appear near the top. If you see ads or similar tools, make sure you choose the official site so you're signing up in the right place. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up Free button, typically located at the top right of the page. Click it to start creating your account. You'll be prompted to provide your email address and create a password. Use an email you check regularly and choose a strong, unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other services to keep your account secure. Take your time here, since this will be the login you use to access your dashboard later. If you prefer a quicker setup, you can sign up using your existing Google or Apple account. This can simplify login and recovery, but make sure you're comfortable connecting that account to Brevo. If you're managing multiple brands or teams, choose the option that keeps access organized and secure for you. Next, you'll answer a few short questions about your company and the size of your contact list. This helps Brevo tailor the experience and recommendations to your needs. It's perfectly fine if you're just getting started. Select the options that best match your current situation. Being accurate here ensures the platform sets sensible defaults and guidance. After you finish these details, you'll be taken straight into your account dashboard. This is your control center, where you can explore tools for campaigns, contacts, and automations. On the free plan, you can send up to 300 emails per day, which is plenty for testing templates, deliverability, and basic workflows. Keep an eye on your daily sending limit so you don't unintentionally pause a campaign. If you're new to email marketing, consider drafting a simple welcome message and experimenting with a small list to learn the interface and monitor performance. That's it. You've successfully set up your free Brevo account and can start exploring right away. Take a moment to look around the dashboard, review the Getting Started tips, and familiarize yourself with the key sections you'll use most. Enjoy building and sending with Brevo.